Gab, 8 years ago, we met as friends. We were young and carefree. And then, we decided to be together, not knowing what will the future hold. 7 years and an eternity of conflicts later, we found Christ, and then here we are, standing in front of each other, getting married.
When my hands stretch out towards the sky, you never let me.
Hi babe. Wala pa man pero I already want to say thank you so much for this day. From the very beginning, alam mo naman I'd rather have a beautiful marriage rather than a beautiful wedding. But then you have given me this day, the best day of my life so far. Please wear this gift for our wedding. I love you and I'll see you later. Promise I will do my best to chill. Haha. Love, Nadi.
When I dive into the depths of you, my heart is made anew. Jesus in you.
Nadi, matagal na panahon na yung nakalipas, pero sariwang-sariwa pa din sa isipan ko yung una kong nakita yung mukha mo. Wait, teka, hindi pala mukha mo yung una kong naka face-to-face, kundi yung paa mo. Nung time na sineset up ko yung staging server nyo sa GFII. Hindi ko sukat akalain na yung paang yon ang makakasama ko habang buhay. Nanay, tatay, salamat po sa buhay. Salamat po sa mga sakripisyo at pupursige sa pagpapalaki sa amin. Salamat sa mga dasal po para sa amin. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo.
Now, as we step into the next chapter of our relationship, I vow to be with you, to support you and help you to achieve all your dreams and aspirations. Because today, they will become mine to dream and aspire to.
Your love is a flood, and I'm caught in the current of your living waters. It's your love, it's your love. Your presence is a flood, and I'm caught in the wonder you have taken me over. You have won my heart. Your love is a flood, and I'm caught in the current of your living waters. It's your love, it's your love. Your presence is a flood, and I'm caught in the wonder you have taken me over. You have won my heart, yeah.
Hi, babe. Sorry alam mo namang I'm not good at this. But I'm writing to tell you na sobrang masaya ako at excited, kinakabahan. Please take this special gift of mine which symbolizes how we value the purpose of this one, time, na madalas nating pag-awayan. Pero ngayon, tong relationship natin is for lifetime na. I love you, see you later. Thank you!
Ang lakas makatelenovela nung moment nung una tayong nagtagpo. Nasa data center ako noon at tanda ko sobrang nagmo-moist yung pintuan namin dahil sa humidity. Tapos bigla na lang may nagsulat ng pangalan niya sa salamin.
Dahan-dahan niyang sinulat yung N-A-D-I-A, Nadia. Tapos sumilip ako dun sa space na nagawa nung pagsulat mo. Nagulat ka kasi may tao pala sa loob. Yun yung una nating pagkikita. Nawala yung lungkot ko nung time na yun kasi napalitan ng amazement sa lalim ng mga dimples mo.
I vow that I will love you and that I am going to love you from your weakest moments to your strongest ones. And I'm going to love you even more when you are sad. Gets mo na? Andito lang ako. Andito ako ngayon sa tabi mo. At dito sa tabi mo, hindi ako mawawala. Noon po ay lagi akong naiinggit sa may mga tatay. Pero, not so long ago, meron pong nagsabi sa akin, Nika, sa totoo lang, kung gusto mong malaman kung anong pakiramdam ng may tatay, tignan mo lang mama mo. Yung ginawa niya sa inyo, pagiging tatay na rin yun. Kaya wag na wag niyong iisipin na parang kulang kayo sa tatay. On this day, I give you all of me and my promise that I will be with you in this journey, wherever it may leave us, living, learning, loving, and praising God together through all our sorrows and success for all the days of my life. I cannot thank God enough for entrusting me this honor to be your wife. I love you.
Nadi, salamat sa 6 years, 8 months at 10 days ng pagmamahal at paggabay sa akin. Salamat kasi hindi mo ako sinukuan. Hindi niyo ako sinukuan ni Lord. Ilang sandali na lang, pwede na kitang tawaging Mrs. Hardin. Mahal na mahal kita, Nadia Erica Garceron Suliman Hardin.